A brief intro. There are people here who are meeting me for the first time, so I thought I'll just spend a minute on that. So I'm Prabha Srinivasan. I'm a founder, CEO of Ventura Pranas. It is a cross-border advisory and compliance firm specializing in US and India tax and compliance and advisory. And we are a 100-member team, and we're located between Chennai, Los Angeles, Trichy, and Bangalore. I'm dual certified, and that was the genesis of the firm, and we've grown since our formation in 2011. So here comes FEMA. I won't spend too much time on it. It's very easy. You know, if somebody is a resident for FEMA purposes, they can only send up to $250,000 out of the country. And what the taxman has done now is that they also have what is known as a tax collected at source, TCS. And what used to be a 5% has gone up to 20% if it is not for medicine or medical and education purposes. So in this example, I told you, saying gift it to a family, ask them to sell it, tell them to send back your money. Well, if they send 250, you're going to get 200K, right? And the 50K, that guy has to have enough income in India to offset his taxes with those advanced taxes. It is not money down the tube, you know, it is creditable against a liability, but it still reduces your ability to get your money hands on the currency. And, you know, just imagine a $10 million asset sale in India could take you 40 years to take out of India, right? So that's where I said that if you're an NRI and if you sell it in your own hands, you can actually take up to $1 million in each financial year, which means you could take it out in 10 years versus 40 years, right? So in that example, it's quite glaring. I get this question a lot, which is why I've put it up, saying there are some people who say, you know, I have a buyer and he says he wants the whole purchase price documented in the sale deed, but he wants to pay me a portion of the proceeds in the US and a portion here, but it's all going to be part of the purchase deed because he wants cost basis when he sells the property. That's an absolute no-no, right? FEMA will disallow it. It's a prohibited transaction. You'll have to get paid for it in India, and then you have to use these regs. If you choose to get it in any other form, it's going to attract taxes in some other form. It can't be capital gains. It'll be ordinary income. It has all other kinds of ramifications. I wanted to park that to you, on you.